All right, yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Make Money Moose, and today I'm gonna be telling you guys a very easy method to make some very easy and fast money. Now, today I'm gonna be telling you guys about a platform that you can use to make money off of listening to music. Yes, you heard me right, listening to music. So, uh, I assume many of you have like a Spotify account and an Apple Music account, and I'm willing to bet that you listen to music for hours on end for free. Now, the method that I'm going to show you guys today is a way to get paid off of listening to music. Now, I will say right off the bat that there are a couple of stipulations. For one, you actually have to have a playlist with over 400 followers. But I mean, if you're good, if you have a good music taste, and you can organize a playlist real well, and you know how to market it, then you can easily get 400 people listening to your playlist. Uh, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You just have to have about 400 followers on a playlist, and you'll be good to go as far as making money off of listening to music. All right, so the platform that we're actually going to be looking at today is called Playlist Push. So what do? They connect artists to playlist curators. And then they say that they help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to discover new music. So basically what this platform is let's say that you have a playlist with over 400 followers and you wanna add some indie artists on there. Well, what's going on with this platform is indie artists are submitting their music on here, and as a curator, you can choose the music that you like, and you can listen to it and review it, and you'll make money off of it because that's what the artists are playing for. So for artists, you promote your music by submitting your songs to the active playlist curators. And they have flex pricing, which means whether you make pop music or you're an instrumental pianist, you only pay to reach curators that will dig your music. And then as far as getting picked up, we send music to a targeted group of playlist curators. They review your songs for playlist consideration. I just stuttered a lot there. But basically, artists are submitting their music to curators that like that type of stuff. So let's say that you listen to hip-hop and you like hip-hop artists, then you can go and listen to the genre that you like and find music that you like and get paid for it. Now, for curators, you discover some of the best up-and-coming indie artists that help them launch their careers. You get paid to listen and review songs. So you get rewarded. You earn money by listening and reviewing songs, and you discover new music. So you discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. So basically, you're going to find people that other people haven't really heard of yet. And I mean, for one, you get paid for listening to up-and-coming artists' music. And also, if you find someone that's like super fire, like you like their music, then you can say, "Hey, I was one of the first people to find their music and give it a chance." And you get bragging rights for that, and you get paid for it. So, I mean, yeah, nothing can really beat that. So, as far as their network, they have one of the most active networks for Spotify curators, and they measure data from each campaign for maximum effectiveness. So, they have over 970 curators. That's not a whole lot of curators, which means there's not a whole lot of competition. They have 23 million playlists combined, and then they have more than 5,500 successful campaigns for artists that are submitting their music to the curators. Now, they've been mentioned by Fortune, Hypebot, Medium, and CD Baby. These are all trusted platforms, and if they're able to trust this platform, then I mean, it is what it is. Now, as far as what artists are saying, all these guys are having a pretty decent time with this. Now, this person is into acoustic type stuff, and they've seen success with this. If we keep going through here, there's quite a few artists that have had a positive experience with this platform. So if you're trying to become a curator, you would click this button, become a curator. Gotta wait for that to load. Now this platform isn't available in every single country, but it's available in most. And I assume that most of the people that are watching this are from the United States. So we're gonna scroll down over here, and yeah, I'm having a hard. Oh, okay, there it is. There we go. United States, and like I said, you have to have about 400 followers. After that, you would just connect your Spotify playlist, and you would agree to their terms of use, which can be found right here. So we're just gonna go back real quick, and if we scroll down, if we go to the for curators thing, obviously you're gonna discover new music for your playlist. You get paid to review songs, so you pay to listen and review the songs, and if you like them, you can consider adding one of those songs to your playlist. And you qualify as a curator if you own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. You get paid per review. So you earn $12 per song that you review. $12. So if you listen to like 10 songs, that's $120 right there. You get an instant payout. Now, a lot of websites, you have to earn a certain amount to have your money paid to you. That's not how this works. If you listen to one song and you get paid $12, you can have that $12 in your bank account right away. That's how it works. You get to support indie artists, so you help new and up-and-coming artists by providing feedback on their music. So not only are you getting paid, but like I said, once again, you get to discover new music. You get to have bragging rights if you discover someone that's really fire, and you're getting paid for it. So I mean, yeah, for most of you, getting paid for it is the most important part. But if you're anything like me and you like finding independent artists that are fire, not only is it cool that you have bragging rights, that you found that artist first, but that also gives you an entirely new artist that you can listen to, and that's really cool. And yeah, discover new music. So, as you guys can see, this platform is perfect if you're a curator and you're looking to make money off of listening to music. And if we go onto the Google machine real quick and we search playlist push, we're going to come down here. There are quite a few videos, as you guys can see. There is a review by EDM Sauce. Let's look at that real quick. They're trying to sell me some stuff. But, as you guys can see, it looks like they have 4 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, Trustpilot gives them 4 out of 5 stars. So it's a fairly good service. Even Smart Rapper, if you guys have ever seen a Smart Rapper video, thinks these guys are pretty good. See? So overall, this is a fairly good platform. I do recommend it if you are trying to make some money off of curating a playlist, or maybe you're just like not making a whole lot of moolah right now, and you need some type of side income. This is perfect, especially if you're good at social media or curating playlists and blowing them up. Alright, so even though the method that I showed you guys was a really good way to make money, if you're looking to make some passive income, check out the first link in the description below. By following this link, you'll actually have a guide to be able to quit your 9 to 5 and make income online very easily. So yeah, click on the first link in the description. Have a great day, and bye.